Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Substack for beginners. First, you'll need to create your free account and set up your publication. Think about your niche and what unique value you'll offer your readers. Substack makes it easy to start a newsletter, offering tools for writing, publishing, and managing subscribers. We'll cover the essential steps to get your publication off the ground smoothly, ensuring you understand the platform's core features from day one. Once your publication is set up, focus on crafting compelling content. The Substack editor is user-friendly, allowing you to easily format your posts with headings, images, and links. Consistency is key, so plan a regular publishing schedule that works for you and your readers. Whether you're sharing articles, essays, or creative works, Substack provides a straightforward way to get your words out to your subscribers efficiently and effectively. Building a strong subscriber base is crucial for your Substack success. Share your publication link on social media, your website, and other relevant platforms to attract new readers. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and fostering a community around your content. Substack allows you to offer both free and paid subscription options, giving you flexibility in how you monetize your work and grow your dedicated readership. Monetizing your Substack involves setting appropriate prices for your paid subscriptions, offering exclusive content to your most dedicated readers. Regularly review your analytics to understand what content resonates most with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, consistency and quality are paramount for long-term growth. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Keep writing, keep engaging, and enjoy your Substack journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.